This type of AI animal video is going insanely viral right now. In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to create cinematic AI animal videos. First, open ChatGPT and type "blue monkey sitting on a tree branch eating a banana." Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate a detailed image prompt. Now your project foundation is ready. Copy the image prompt from ChatGPT. Now open Google Vids. This is where your idea starts turning into visuals. Look at the right sidebar and click on the Generate Image option. Paste the image prompt into Google Vids. Choose the aspect ratio. I choose 9:16 for YouTube Shorts. Then select your style. I choose photography. Now click Generate. Wait a few moments. You'll get a beautiful cinematic image. Take a look. The blue monkey is sitting on a tree branch eating a banana. Now click on the image. You'll see the Insert option. Click on it. Choose the video size as 9:16 and apply it. Below the image, you'll see the Convert to Video option. Click on it. Now go back to ChatGPT and type "Write a cinematic video prompt for this scene." ChatGPT will generate a detailed animation prompt. These prompts tell the AI exactly how the animal should move and how the camera should behave. Copy the video prompt. Now return to Google Vids. Paste the animation prompt. Click Generate. Wait a few moments. Your static image will transform into a cinematic video clip. The monkey slowly peels the banana. Sunlight filters through the jungle. The goal is to make the scene feel natural, realistic, and relaxing. And just like that, your video is ready. Now click on the video. Select Insert in Correct Scene. On the left side, click the File option. Then download the video in MP4 format. You now have a complete AI-generated animal video ready to post. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel so you can learn how to create more AI videos like this and start earning from them. Thanks for watching this video.